Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, ensure your engine is cool and the vehicle is on a level surface. Gather all necessary tools, including a drain pan, new coolant, and a new radiator. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Once prepared, carefully locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and open it to drain the coolant into your catch pan. Be sure to collect all the fluid for proper disposal. Next, loosen the clamps on the upper and lower radiator hoses and detach them. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors for the radiator fan or sensors. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, remove the radiator mounting bolts. Carefully lift the old radiator out of the engine bay. You may need to transfer components like the fan shroud to your new radiator. Now, position the new radiator, secure it with the mounting bolts, and reconnect all hoses, ensuring clamps are tight. Reattach any electrical connectors you removed. After installation, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and distilled water. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating. Start the engine, let it reach operating temperature, and check for leaks. Monitor your coolant levels and engine temperature closely during your first few drives to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.